Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I will show you how I put music and sound effects in my animation using Canva. Without wasting your time, let's straight dive into the tutorial. First, go to Pixabay where you will find royalty-free sounds. Here you can find images, videos as well. Now search the item you need. And make sure you select this toggle button and select sound effects. Here you will see different sound effects, listen to them, and select the one which is suitable to your need. In my case, I will check my background and see if it matches or not. I have already downloaded the sound effects, so I will show you how to use them. Let's drag and drop the files into Canva. Now once the files are on Canva, simply drag them to your project like this. Simply listen and adjust. Most of you are thinking how to cut or edit that extra part which is blank. For that, simply press S on your keyboard. This will split your file into two parts which you can delete it. Nice, I hope there is not problem at this point. Now let's bring our another sound effect to our video. The best part is you can layer it as I have done it. Now adjust the audio. I'm going to bring my another audio to the project. I will make some adjustment to my existing audio. Remember guys, if you feel you need to adjust the audio volume, then you can use this slider. You can also adjust audio effects as well. Let's play and listen how it sounds.